The weakest moment is a defining moment. Will you give in to that weak moment and see only what's in front of you? Or will you give everything to God and believe that there's something more than what you can see? Melissa Chardon.
Ashes to ashes, dust to dust, in a broken world, in whom shall I trust?
Awakening from a deep sleep, oh yeah, proud to be born a black sheep, Lord. God my steps out of the dark, help me light up the spark. I walk, I crawl, I rise, I fall. There's so much at stake, don't wanna make another mistake. But just like a dream, it ended up with a scream. Life becomes death, and death is fear. Well, the ultimate enemy is nothing but fear. We live under a flame, only have ourselves to blame.
Ashes to ashes, dust to dust, heart and soul born, in the Lord I trust.
There's nothing like violence, so much caught in the silence, stripped of our innocence. Nothing has been the same since, as though my tears are gone while all of my senses are on. The fight never stops, hurtful words cut deep like shots. Now people draw lines and the mind confines, but God's soldiers are real, human angels are healed. Since angels fall before the rise, fire burns through their cries, while demons rise before the fall. Angels stand in the
Fall before the rise, fire burns through their cries, while demons rise before the fall. Angels stand to make the final
See,
call.
life will make mistakes, we grow when we admit it. But mistakes can cost your life, so be careful with it. There are some mistakes that you cannot come back from. There are some mistakes that you cannot come back from.
So embrace your sin before you step inside a coffin, closing your eyes, sleeping forever in all of those lies. Find a way to keep it real, so one day you can heal. Believe in who you are, and someday you will go far. Do not worry what they say, they were never even right anyway. Only God knows where you have been. Do not compare yourself or your life to other men. Only God knows where you have been.
Ashes to ashes, dust to dust, Satan disguiser of light, never can you trust. Ashes
Sometimes the
to
consequence is
ashes,
so overwhelming, it makes you not want to get back up.
there was no kind of
But
life
it's just at that moment when you feel like you can't take it anymore, that you gotta get back up. Try one more time. Because it's that one more time that could be the difference between living or dying, surviving or thriving. Gotta get up, be the difference. Now rise, surprise. Without the darkness, there would be no sunrise. Without the darkness, there would be no sunrise. Between living or dying, surviving or thriving. Gotta get up, be the difference. Now rise, surprise. Without the darkness, there would be no sunrise. Without the darkness, there would be no sunrise. Between living or dying, surviving or thriving. Gotta get up, be the difference. Now rise, surprise. Without the darkness, there would be no sunrise. Without the darkness, there would be no sunrise. Between living or dying, surviving or thriving. Gotta get up, be the difference. Now rise, surprise. Without the darkness, there would be no sunrise. Without the darkness, there would be no sunrise.